First all, a very good morning to all respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Situra from class 4, from class 6. Today my topic is how to take our bad habits. As we all know that how to take our bad habits, it is the quality. Quality is the bad habits. Bad habits are the connecting people, discipline in the neighborhood. It is the give example. Habits are the example why it is the. Thank you.
Good morning to all present here. My name is Palak Verma from Standard 6. Today I will be giving a small speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. The habits understand its triggers, create a plan for change and emphasize the importance of persistence and support. The bad habits, as we can so usually differ from the name are bad, but when we look at it deeply, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Eklavya Singh. I read in class 6. Today I am to talk about how to tackle bad habit. A bad habit is behavior, physical. Thank you.
My warm regards to everyone present here. I am Palak Kumari, the student of 6th class. I am here give a speech how to tackle a bad habit. Changing our habit are different process. And changing our habit are different process can pain our body and mind. That decision and strengthening regulars which can ensure our change of life. Today I thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals, and my all dear friends. Myself, Devkasi, Standard 6. Today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of how to take bad habits. Bad habit is behavior and action that are dependent physical action. We takes bad habit from. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Manvi Singh, class 5. I am delivering a speech on the topic of how to take bad habit. Well is lake पहला दूसरा.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers and principal. My name is Alan Kumar, class from 6. My topic of how to tackle bad habits. You all about are think what we have bad habits are above bad. How to tackle bad habits. Some people are history in bad habits. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all dear my friend. Myself Himanshu Raj, 4th standard 6. Today I am deliver a English speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. Guesses we all thinking I talking as I am talking below how to tackle bad habit, and we all have thinking and we all must bad habit. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all present here. This is Aditya Raj from Standard 6. Today I am here to deliver a golden opportunity to share my experience on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. Set a clear achievable goal in the replace the bad habit with a positive on seek support from parents, teachers, and friends, and हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ द हाउ टू टैकल बैड हैबिट इज बुरी आदतों से कैसे निपटे. बस
but this is our not topic. Our topic is how to tackle bad habits in explain. My final answer is tackle a bad habit to replace the goal and seek support from accountability. That's all. Thank you and happiness day.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principals and all my dear friends. My name is Abhinay Kumar from class 6. Today I am here to share my experience on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. Humans have two types of habits, bad habits and good habit. Bad habit too cruel and unrespected, and good habit is respected all of you and
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal, all dear my friend. My name is Sahil Kumar from class 6. Today my morning speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. So sometime develop because ready straight and improved because difficult improve and because can be problem and statement. Thank you.
How to a very good morning to all of present here. I am Ayush Kumar Singh from class 6. Today I am to deliver a morning speech on the topic of how to tackle good habit. So I am a taker of the bad habit and enemy, and so it is a have good habit and situated, and the bad habit are so known as the very are. So it is a very tackle to our things are bad, and this is tackles are how bad, and so this is. Thank you. Next.
First of all, I am very good evening to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. This is Rahul Kumar from Standard 5th of CBC Competitive School. I want to deliver a speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. Today I want to talk about something that we all struggle with about in our life. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal, all my name is Himanshu Pandey, class 6. Today I am delivering short speech how to tackle bad habits. To tackle bad habits, understand the love and replace the unwanted behavior with a more deliver on will is giving support and the practicing self compassion. That's it. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal, all my dear friends. My name is Anish Kumar from class 6. Today my topic is how to tackle bad habit. The first bad habit, nail beating front of everyone. Stick our finger and our nose front of everyone. Burp in front of everyone.
Good morning to all of you. I respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Emily Kathleen from class 6. Today my topic is how to tackle a bad habit. Talking a bad habit requires awareness, determined to plan. First identified the habit it triggers when support my friend and family, celebrate in a small victory and stay motivated. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Divyanshu Kumar from class 6. Today I am here to present a speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. Try to meditation of bad habits. Case of practice yoga and do meditation. Support for loved ones. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Divyansh Kumar from class 6. Today, I deliver to morning speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. Bad habits, just like been by the undisciplined boys to the our life cycles to condensation of the infinity of purification, repair their our work. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Arshweda from Standard 6, currently studying in CBSE competitive school. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. Bad habits are very bad in our life. Bad habits are the enemy of good habits. The effect of bad habits maximum in our good manners. We can tackle our bad habits due to following action. Be mindful, develop a plan, implement your plan, listen carefully, and manner and discipline. Thank you.
Good morning to respected teacher, principal, and all dear my friend. My name is Gauri Singh. I'm class study 6th, and my topic is how to tackle the bad habits. Bad habits can affect your health time and in the success in for the upcoming for the them.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. I am Aryan Kumar Rai from Standard 6. I want to deliver a speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. Started by understanding your training and the reason to are in bad habit. Bad habit are there when in regard. Thank you.
First of all, greeting you all happy blooming morning as I Jagrati in standard 6th is standing here to give a perception on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. We all have some bad habits, whether it's procrastination, overspending time on screens, or unhealthy eating. The good news is we can change them. The first step is awareness. Identify your bad habits into its triggers. Next, replace it with a positive habit for our better life. For example, if you scroll your phone too much, so try reading a book instead. Stay consistent and don't give up. So, at last, I want to share some lines in the front of you. Bad habit prove that you are not perfect in the world. So, you can change to our bad habit into good habit for our better life. That's all. Thank you for your cooperation with me and have a good day.
First of all, very good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Pallavi Kumari from class 6. Today, deliver morning a short speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. To effectively tackle bad habits, in the speech, you can structure your talk around. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shreya Kumari from Standard 6, and today I will talk about something is very important: how to tackle bad habits. We all have habits that hold us back, but a good news to we can change them. Here to follow 4 simple steps to tackle your bad habits. First, identify your triggers. Now we can causes engage in bad habits. Second, set your goals. Decide what you want to achieve by breaking your bad habits. Third, create an action plan. Develop a strongly and replace your bad habits with a good one. Fourth, track your progress. Monitor your progress and celebrate your success. Remember, tackling bad habits take time and effort, but you have power to change your habit and improve your life. So let's start. Today those bad habits get a better future for ourselves. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Myself, Prince Yadav from Standard 6. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. Bad habit can be a challenging task, and most of the struggle break then from biting nails to procrastinating. These habit can interfere with our life and future in multiple ways. That's all. Thank you.
The very warm and very pleasant morning to all of you. This is Satya, my standard class 6. Today as I talk about how to tackle a bad habit. The how to tackle a bad habit. All human beings live in the many bad habits. Bad habit fight in the many ways. First, and the life in the bad habit to go and come after the good habit in many hardly thinking of the people. And second good habits it is many different good thinking into achievement for the people, and the last third is the all human beings in the life in the good discipline in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Arkan Khan from Standard 6. Today is my audition on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. Talking a bad habit requires awareness, determines and a plan. First, identify the habit and its triggers. Then set realistic goals for change bad habit with positive one. Seek support from friends or family. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Corporal from class 6. I am here to share my experience on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. First of all, how to tackle bad habit. To tackle bad habit, we need the help of good habit. First, we made a to-do list, means a list that have work that we done in a day. First, tick a mark on good habits in green color and tick the red color on the bad habit. But do not do the work that have been red marked after some time. The work that we done is the work that we not do have bad habit is have be cancelled in our to-do list. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening everyone, respected teachers, principals, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Ansh Rathod from Standard 6. Today I am talking about how to tackle bad habits. Bad habits are part of human nature, often inherited from all past. Bad habits are a part of human nature. Then our question in front of this topic is why? How to tackle bad habits? Tackling bad habits can be challenging but with a well-planned approach. It is possible to overcome. There are many steps. First, identify your bad habits. Second, understand your triggers. Third, set clean goals. Fourth, find after negative behavior. Fifth, create and successful environment. That's all. Thank you for today and have a nice day.
First of all, a warm and pleasant morning to all ladies and gentlemen. This is Rituraj presenting in front of all students to share my thoughts on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. When we want to tackle a bad habit, then we live in discipline. When we not live in discipline, then we not tackle the bad habit. In which neighborhood we live, then we teach, then we learn
like discipline. Discipline is a key to success. Without discipline, our life is like a lousy. Discipline means discipline continues of essential powers of changing our habits. Discipline continues of any bad habits into good habits. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected chairperson, principal teachers, and my all dear friends. I am Ayan Ansari of Standard 6. Today I got a golden opportunity to share my thoughts on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. Here are my lines about how to tackling bad habits. Identify your triggers and prepare for the battle. Replace bad habits with good one and watch your life with a transform. Start small and celebrate each tiny victory. Create an environment that supports on your goal. Find accountability to share your progress with your friend. Focus on your progress with not perfection. Understand setbacks that can temporary and you cannot define your journey. Practice self-compassion and treat yourself with a kindness. Be patient and that change takes time. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected chairperson, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Naveen Rai from Standard 6. Today I am here to give a short speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. Bad habit can be difficult to overcome, but with presence and perseverance, it is possible to make a positive change in our lives. There are some tips on how to tackle bad habit. First, identify the root causes. Understanding why are you engaging in a bad habit. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Ankit Yadav. I read in class 6. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. First, bad habit can affect our habit and progress, and good habit give in good effect, and which never would write like discipline. That's so. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nidhi Patel from Standard 6. Today I want to talk about something that we all struggle with some points in our lives. Bad habit, whether it's procrastination, overeating, or excessive screen time. Bad habit does not define us, but it's effort to change them. If we control our habit. If we control our habit, we control our future. That's all I want.
Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, fellow and competitors. Myself, Tafsir Ahmed from Standard 6, currently study in CBSE competitive school to talk about how to tackle bad habit. Bad habits are very harmful for our habits, because we want to talk about the habit. We consist two habits, bad and good. Goal setup is the that of setups to man can be achieve their goal for good habit. We cannot consist in our daily life bad habit, because online playing game is bad habit, because this is very harmful habit of a student life. In a student life, students are learning many things about habits. We cannot determine from it, and it is not essential for our life. In a student life, many students are track and break their bad habit, and they achieve their goal in the life. They can achieve their goal in the life, and they should take care about them, and they crack and break their habit. There is very essential for them. their work is done by them and they control themselves for them. It is very useful for us. At last, I want to say that the track and break the bad habits. I want how to tackle bad habit. The bad habit is attract and emotion for the people. That's all for today and thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Divyanshu Kumar from class 6. Today I am here to talk about how to tackle bad habits. Bad habits can affect our health, time and success. The first step to overcoming them is to recognize and accept them. Set a small achievable goal and replace bad habits with good one. The self-control and habits are the key. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So first of all, a lovely and delightful morning to one and all present here. As you know, I am Surya from Standard 6 and today I am stand before you to deliver a short speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habit. First, we should know that what is bad habit. Bad habit is a behavior or action that are detrimental to our physical, mental and emotional well-being. They can be developed through peer, repetition, pressure and as a coping mechanism such as stress. Then our question is how to tackle bad habit. First, the answer of this question is tackling bad habit requires a combination of self-awareness, motivation and strategies. There are the following ways to tackle bad habit. First, be aware. Be aware yourself to your friend. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected chairperson, principal sir, all the teachers and my dear classmates. I am Lokesh Prasad from class 6. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of how to tackle bad habits. Today I want to talk something about that we all struggle with bad habits. Do you have a habit that you wish you could break? Maybe you have a habit of biting nails when you are nervous, or maybe you have bad habit to procrastinate when you have nervous. So first we talk about what are bad habits. Bad habits are the thing that we all do regularly, but they are harmful for us, our health, relationships and even our success. Why do we have bad habits? Sometimes we develop bad habits because we are bored, stressed and having to cope with difficult emotions. But it is hard to break. Here are some tips to break bad habits. First, be aware. You ask a friend to remind you that your habits are good or bad. Second, make a plan. Set goals and deadlines to break your habits. Third, get help. Share your struggle with friends, families and conclusion. Breaking bad habits takes time and effort, but it is possible. Remember, you have a power to change your habit and make a better version for yourself. Thank you.
A delightful evening to all of you. My name is Krishu Kumar of Standard 6. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. Taking a bad habit, we need the combination skills of self-awareness, overcoming and identify the awareness. There are some steps to be overcoming the bad habit. First, identify the habit. Recognize the habit if you want to change your goals and understanding the triggers. Set your clear goals. Understanding the goals and what you think in your life. Third, reason on why that any person cannot be self-awareness, and do not judge a book by its cover. Fourth, be patient. Taking a bad habit, we need a time and effort. So be patient and be patient. Seek support. Share our goals with our friends and family, and what helps if needed them. Accountability. Share goals with mentor and friends. Fourth, self-care. We need self-care. Take care of your physical activity and well-being. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and present, one and all present here. This is Ankit Gupta from Standing 6. Today I am here to talk about on a critical topic. This topic name is how to tackle bad habits. Bad habits is not true. What I talk about on these topics for stop. Bad habits effect of our health. Get infinite. Your course started with bad habits. Imagine yourself breaking the bad habits will support loved ones. These topics will explore will strength is very important. That's what.
Good morning, teachers and friends. This is a dancing from Standard 6th. Today, I will talk about how to tackle bad habits. Bad habits are like naughty monkeys that jump around and mess up with our lives. Think of biting nails or scrolling mobile phones too much, but we can beat them. First, spot the habit. I used to eat candies every day. My teeth hurt. I saw the problem, too much sugar. Spot yourself like a detective. Next, swap it with fun. Instead of candies, I grabbed an apple. My friend Eklavya, who playing video games all day, and he started kicking a football. So my friends, small steps can win big races. That's all. Thank you and wish me a luck.
Respected judges, esteemed teachers, and all my dear friends. Good morning to you all. Myself Natik Kumar from Standard 6. We all have habits, some good, some bad. From biting our nails to procrastinating, from excessive screen time to unhealthy eating. Bad habits sneak into our lives like uninvited guests at a party. But here's the good news. We are the host and we have the power to kick them out. So today let's explore how to tackle bad habits. Understanding the habit loop. Ever wonder why bad habits stick around like that one guest who won't leave? Psychologists say that habits work in a loop, cue, routine and reward. There's a trigger, an action and reward that reinforces the habit. To break this habit, we must hijack this cycle. For example, if stress makes you crave junk food, the stress is cue, eating is routine and satisfaction is reward. Recognizing this pattern is like discovering a cheat code that changes your behavior. Smart strategies to tackle bad habits. First, identify and own it. The first step to admitting habit exists. You can fire what you don't acknowledge. Second, swap, don't stop. Eliminating a habit without a replacement word leaves instead of scrolling endlessly on your phone. Trying to picking up a book, dawdling or going to kick one. Third, make it harder to mess up. Want to stop snacking late at night. Keep junk food out of sight. Try to cut the screen time. Leave your phone in another room before bed. Fourth, find an accountability buddy. Share your goal with friends, family members, or even habits tracking app. having someone to cheer you on or call you out can make all the difference. In conclusion, the power of change. The beauty of life is that the beauty of life is that the beauty of life is that thank you, Heaven.
Sure. First of all, a very good evening to all of respected teacher, principal, all my dear friends. Myself, Sudhanshu C. from class 5. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of how to tackle a bad habit. The bad habit is a talent tracks in a struggle break them. The bad habits is the bad interfere our life and futures. And there are many steps to overcome a bad habits. So first, the knowledge to accept where we can control the bad habits with very easily tips and that's the thing.